Can you find the area of the shaded region? Pause here and try it yourself. Do you start calculating, or do you notice something first? Let's look at the AI method first. The shaded region is a trapezoid. We know its height is 2, but we don't know its two bases. Let's call them x and y. The big triangle is the entire triangle. It has a height of 6 and a base of 4. To find x, compare the small triangle with the big triangle. They're similar, so their corresponding sides are proportional. The small triangle has height 2, while the big triangle has height 6. Their corresponding bases are x and 4. So x over 4 equals 2 over 6. That gives us x equals 4/3. Now look at the middle triangle and the big triangle. They're similar too. Their heights are 4 and 6, and their corresponding bases are y and 4. So y over 4 equals 4 over 6. That gives us y equals 8/3. Now we have everything we need. Substitute 4/3 and 8/3 into the trapezoid area formula, and we know the height is 2. The shaded area is 4 square centimeters. That works. But there's a much faster way. Complete the triangle into a rectangle. The rectangle is 4 by 6. So its area is 24 square centimeters. Now focus on the middle strip. The rectangle is divided into 3 strips of equal height, so the middle strip is 1/3 of the whole rectangle. 24 divided by 3 is 8. Here's the key observation. The other part of the middle strip has the same area as the shaded region. Together, they make up the entire middle strip. So the shaded region is half of 8. 4 square centimeters.